Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Your one stop for learning all the mathematics short tricks which make you smarter, builds very positive aptitude in mathematics and helps you crack all the competitive exams which you might face in future. Whether you are a school student, a college student or anybody preparing for a placement exam, the channel is for you and the videos which I have been posting of late, they relate to chapter number 2 of our ebook of short tricks, the magic multiplication tricks chapter. And in this video, I am going to take up multiplication using some properties. Distributive property, that is the most common property used in multiplication. So let me tell you how you can get a copy of all these short tricks at one place. That is really important, getting hold of some good stuff which can help you in excelling in mathematics. This is the WhatsApp number. Here we have 9896369963. You can find this WhatsApp number in the description of this video as well. So friends, let's look for the concept of the trick first. Now suppose I have say any number x and I need to multiply that by some number like 92. Okay. Now I know that this 92 is very close to a base number. So it will be easier for me to write 92 as 100 minus 8 and use the distributive property by multiplying x by 100 and x by 8. Multiplying x by 100 is elementary, right? We just suffix two zeros, and multiplication by 8, because 8 is a single digit number, and everybody expects that students will know 8 times table, and subtracting the two products will be easier than multiplying the two numbers directly. I'll give you an example. Suppose you have 23 and I need to multiply that by say 107. Now doing this is challenging, but if I write 107 as 100 plus 7, then 23 into 100 is 2300, and 23 into 7, 7 3s are 21, 1 2 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16, and that gives me my answer 2461. And this is how the multiplication using the properties, distributive property works. So let's practice this now using some examples. Here we have 74 being multiplied by 103, which is actually 100 plus 3. So if I multiply this, I will get 7400, and when I multiply this by 3, 3 4s are 12. See how I write it. I start with the unit digit. 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22, and when I add them, I get my answer 7622 is the answer for the question. Now similarly, you can actually do both the numbers which are close to 100 or close to 1000. You can actually do splitting of those numbers, both the numbers, but one of the numbers is also enough. Like here 128 times 94 is 100 minus 6, and when I do this I get 12800, and now I know that I have to subtract, and when I multiply this by 6, 6 8s are 48, 8 4 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 4 16, 6 1 carry, and 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7, and all I have to do to subtract them, because we have a minus sign here, so this becomes 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 6 3, then 7 minus 7 0, and then we have the 12 as such. So 12032 is the answer for the question. Let's practice a little bit more. Here we have two numbers which are like both, like this number 487 is very close to 500, 500 minus 13, and this number 96 is 100 minus 4, and now I can use the multiplication property and get my answer. So the product of these two will be 5 followed by 4 zeros, right? The product of these two will be negative of 2000. So I am writing the positive separately and negative separately. Negative of 2000, and then the product of these two will be negative of 1300. So the product of these two will be plus 52. So here we have two positives, here you have two negatives. So this becomes 5, 0, 0, 5, 2, and this becomes minus 0, 0, 3, 3. So all I have to do is to subtract these two now. So the 52, if I write them one below the other, it will be much more easier for you to do it like this, and this to be subtracted. So 52 doesn't change, so your answer will end in 52 definitely, and 500 minus 33 is 467. So your answer for the question is 46752. Likewise, here also you can break both the numbers or a single number depending on your convenience now, and depending on how comfortable you are with breaking a single number and then doing it, or breaking both numbers. So I will do it by breaking only one number here. 743 times this is 1000 minus 11, which is 989, and when I multiply these two I get 743,000, and when I multiply this by 11 I should know the trick how to multiply numbers by 11. So I'll start with the 3, then 3 plus 4, 7, then 7 plus 4, 11 means 1 and a 1 carry, and then the 7 plus 1, 8. So this is the product of 743 and 11. Now when I subtract them, I will have my final answer. 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 1, 8, and then this becomes 2, 12, 12 means 12 minus 8, 4, and finally 4 becomes 3, and we have the 7. 7, 3, 4, 8, 2, 7 is the answer for the question. Likewise, different properties work different in a different manner, and you get comfortable, with these properties once you start using them. Knowing the distributive property is easy, but applying it is difficult. So as soon as you see the numbers, your mind, should tell you that, oh, 989 is very close to 1000. So I have to split it in terms of 1000, and that's how mental maths works. So friends, if you are liking all these tricks which I have been sharing on the YouTube channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcut, do subscribe to the channel and send the link to your friends also, so that they can also take the advantage. And if you have not clicked the bell shaped icon, please do it, because otherwise you will not be getting all the notifications on your mobile. The method which I told you, the properties method of multiplication, is easy but a lot of practice required. 30-40 questions, that's what you need to do now, and you need to tell me in the comment box here, did it work for you? All the best.